The Ukrainian drone army keeps striking Russia's most modern tank, the T-90. This target isn't that much harder than any other tank, which all have several weaknesses. The largest being the back section over the engine or the turret. As the first FPV drone came in from the back, it hit the turret, but the shaped charge can be seen missing, striking the ground a little bit away. While the tank had luck the first time, it wouldn't last, as the second FPV drone came in from the same way and hit over the engine, causing a fire to break out in the back, showing Ukraine's drone army's skills and stubbornness to destroy Russian equipment, making sure another of Russia's newest tanks is destroyed, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.